everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. First of all, I want to say I'm sorry that I haven't been around a lot lately. I am trying to get ready for my Christmas show that I do every year, where I've got 2 months, November and December, where we take all of our arts, because I belong to an arts and crafts association. All of us artists, we take all of our things that we make, we bring it into a store and we sell it for 2 months. So I've been getting my clocks together, my coasters, my tiles, my paintings, earrings, bracelets, all this kind of stuff I try to do throughout the year, so I'm not like bogged down trying to make stuff for Christmas. But that's what I've been doing, plus working full-time. So it just really have been a super busy month for me. So, but hopefully I'm back into the scheme of things, getting things going again. So today's piece, very easy as far as technique goes. I'm not doing anything difficult. Today I'm gonna do some flip and drags. I'm gonna fill up some cups. I'm gonna flip them over on the canvas and flip and drag them out like this, kind of bring them around motion. And then I'm just gonna tilt kind of back and forth because I'm gonna create a two-tone. This particular technique is one of the easier techniques in fluid art. So if you're brand new to a fluid art, beginner, this would be one of the techniques that you could do that doesn't require a lot of expertise, because you're really, like I said, just filling up some paint, flipping it out on the canvas and dragging it along and doing some tilting. So if you're brand new, this is the video for you. All right, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So what I've got is an 18 by 24 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. So I'm doing kind of a landscape painting today using the ribbon swipe, but I'm not necessarily, I think I've decided not to do the ribbon. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some dirty cup pours and then pour them out this way and then swipe through them. I'm gonna do 2 cups of the top and 2 cups of the bottom sections. That way I'm not necessarily tilting up and down, but more left and right. I'll explain as I go. Real quick, we'll go through these colors. I've got Amsterdam and Greenish blue. I've got Creative Inspirations in Cobalt blue. I have got Sky Blue Light from Amsterdam. And I got Turquoise Green from Amsterdam. That's gonna be the bottom half. Now, the top half is gonna be a combination of Gold Yellow from Amsterdam. This is Apthol Deep Red from Amsterdam. Azo Yellow Deep from Amsterdam. And Azo Yellow Light from Amsterdam. All right, so let's see what happens here. We need 2 colors, 2 cups of the blue. Actually, I'm gonna need bigger cups. So I want these to be the same. So I'm gonna go with some greenish blue. Sky Blue Light. Turquoise Green. And the Cobalt Blue. Top half, we're gonna go with the Apthol Red. Gold Yellow. Primary Yellow. I also added some white into the cups too. All right, so what I want to do is just kind of lay out some white here. First cup down here, second cup, And the best thing about this is you don't need to have cute little pores and flops over when you turn your cups over, because we're just going to drag them out and we're going to be doing some swiping. And I probably will do some swiping with my cell activator, but we'll see. All right, so I'm just going to kind of lift. Kind of bring this down like this. I want a mixture of the paint. Gonna leave that at the end. We'll do the same thing over here, just kind of lift. Now the blue. Got some old sticks here. I like what's happening here, this lovely two-toned. Exactly what I was going for. So let's give it a torch. All right, so I've got some natural cells happening, but I think what I want to do is I want to do a little bit of swiping with my cell activator. So what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to do some random drags. Not going to make a whole lot of cells. So I'm just going to put some white here on the back. Just kind of glide through a little bit. I think what I can do is do a little bit of the same thing. Just over here, nothing crazy. I have way more paint on here than I need, so that's exactly what I'm going for, because I want to be able to just move more left to right instead of up and down. I will have to go up a little bit to get my corners and my corners this way, but the goal is just to create that motion this way. All right. So the starting of the swipe was over here, so that's where a lot of the cell activator kind of stays whole. It doesn't really cell up too much. So I'm going to go this way first. Weight of the paint is. Down here. We have to walk it slow because I want to keep my composition as best I can in the center. So I am going to have to go off this end first. Much more quickly. All right, I'm gonna clean up these edges here. And I'll bring you guys down. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. I love this. Such a beautiful two-tone landscape. Let me show you up close. We've got the cells that I used, the cell activator, plus the natural cells just from the paints mixing. Created some great movement. I love the swipingness, how it just goes from left to right. Landscape is so cool to make. All right, let's see this one is dry. I'll be back. All right, here we are with the dried result. All right, everyone, that's it. So that's the piece. Again, very easy. I decided to do a little bit of swiping with cell activator. So I got some cells through there, which is really, really cool. But I like the two-tone of the blue and the red and orange and yellow up there. Really dried well. And so you could leave this piece as is. You could do some stenciling or something down here, creating some sort of, you know, some sort of underwater ocean vibe feel if you wanted to. So, all right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.